Hey folks, thanks for sticking around. We'll do a walk around. Walk around outside the exterior of the truck. We'll get it right, tongue tied. What I love about this beauty is not only the granite crystal metallic, it's the black accents. It also goes along great with the Sport Performance hood. We got our lovely LED lights, beautiful. Down here we got our sensors, just beautiful, black on gray metallic. We'll come on down the side. We got our 20-inch rubber here, 5-spoke black rims. Just come on back. You see the black accents really go with it, on our running boards, and we keep coming all the way back. Come on back here. One thing I do like with this Sport is that when you're having trouble getting up in the box, as we do old people, it helps out. This thing comes with the all equipped, ready to tow. Got a nice black badging back here, backup sensors. One thing I do like about it, soft dabbing hangate. This thing comes with a box liner. Oh yeah, a trifold tonneau cover. Let's check out the inside. Hey folks, thanks for sticking around. You're here at St.Albert Dodge. On the inside of this 2022 Granite Sport is unbelievable. We'll start right on over here. We got power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Down here we have the pedal control. You can move your pedals up and down. You got your telescopic steering up and down as well. Your cluster controls on your left, and also on your left, your Bluetooth. On your right, you got your steering wheel. You have your cruise control. And on the back, on your right, you can control the volume. And on the left, you can control the radio station. This thing comes very well equipped with a lot of features. The one thing I do like in this Sport is the 4-wheel auto, and you got a couple more sections there. You 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low, 4-wheel drive high. This comes with the 12-inch screen, lots of storage space, and lots of gizmos and gadgets. You can see lots of storage space here. Very well equipped. Got your USB. This thing does not come with a sunroof, unfortunately. A few trucks will come here, they won't have sunroofs. But it also has a power sliding window in the back. And one thing I do really enjoy about this vehicle, it comes with a top-of-the-line Harman-Kardon stereo. So if you want to drive down the window, drive down the window, drive down the roads, open up the window, crank the tunes, you're going to have something to listen to. Any questions? Give me a shout. That's you at St. Albert Dodge, 780-220-3822. Drive safe.